Good evening, students. So here we will discuss about an initiative by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. All of you might have listened about this initiative, which is named as Pariksha Pe Charcha 2021. So this is the fourth edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. So in this video we will know what about this initiative, what we have to do, and what will be the outcomes if we will participate in this program or this initiative. So first of all, to participate in this initiative, you have to make an account on the portal My Government. If you have not created your account, so I have shared a link in the description box of the video. You go to the description box, you will find there a link. Then you click on the link and you see how to make an account of your own on the portal My Government. Then you make an account. Then you will be able to participate in all the initiatives, competitions, those are being conducted by our Indian government. So now we will discuss about this initiative, which is named as Pariksha Pe Charcha. So the introduction every youngster is waiting for is back. Pariksha Pe Charcha with Prime Minister Narendra Modi is coming soon. That means this is not the first audition, this is actually the fourth audition. So Pariksha Pe Charcha has been conducted earlier by our Prime Minister 3 times. Now this is the fourth audition. So this is the main motto of this initiative is to leave your stress and nervousness behind and get ready to set those butterflies in your stomach free. That means एग्ज़ाम को लेके स्टूडेंट लोगों के सिर में जो दर्द होता है, मतलब जो टेंशन होता है, उसको कैसे दूर करना है और अपने अंदर की बटरफ्लाई को कैसे फ्री करना है, अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को कैसे फ्री करना है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम. सो आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर वांट्स दैट ऑल स्टूडेंट्स to be free of the nervousness, the stress regarding the exam. The students have to be free in order to be creative and to express their knowledge appropriately in the exam. If you will fear the exam, if you will be nervous during the exam, you will not be able to express your ideas creatively and freely. So that's why the program is being organized by our Prime Minister to avoid the nervousness and the stress of the students during examination. On popular demand, this time the Prime Minister's massively popular interaction will not only have students but also parents and teachers. So during this fourth edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha, students as well as parents and teachers can participate, can interact with our Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the program. You too can get a chance to hang out with one of the most inspiring Prime Ministers ever. So all of you know our Prime Minister is a most inspiring Prime Minister. Ask him for tips, seek advice, you could even pose questions you always wanted answers for. So how do you get a chance? Whether you are a student or parent or a teacher, how do you get a chance to participate in the fourth edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha? It's very simple, students. What you have to do to participate in this program is first things first, click on the Participate Now button above. I will show you how to participate. Then remember the competition is open for school students of classes 9th to 12th. So students from classes 9 to 12th only can attend the program, participate in this program. But parents and teachers of every level can attend. Then students can submit their responses to any one of the themes provided to them. So what are the themes we will see in this video. Wait. Then how to participate also we will discuss. Students may also submit their question to Honorable Prime Minister in a maximum of 500 characters. Parents and teachers can also participate and submit their entries in the online activities designed exclusively for them. So also there are different themes for teachers and parents. So we will see the themes later. Just wait. So this is all about the program. Then what will be the rewards if you will participate? Student, parent and teacher selected on the basis of their submission in Pariksha Pe Charcha 2021 shall receive the following rewards. What are the rewards? How many students, parents and teachers will be selected? 1,500, 1,500 students and 250 parents and 250 teachers will be selected as winners from among the participants. So winners will get the opportunity to be a direct participant in the Pariksha Pe Charcha virtual event along with the Prime Minister. Virtual event means this program will be organized online. So the winners will get the opportunity to be a direct participant in the program, which will be organized by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. Each winner will get a specially designed certificate of appreciation. Every winner will also get a special Pariksha Pe Charcha kit. A small group of students from among the winners will get the opportunity to directly interact with the Prime Minister and ask him questions. Each of these special winners will also get a digital souvenir of their autographed photograph along with the Prime Minister. So these are the rewards which you will get if you participate in this initiative and you will get selected among the winners. So 1,500 students, 250 parents and 250 teachers will be selected as winners. So this is all about the program. Now we will see how to participate and what are the themes. So first of all, I have already told you, you have to make an account on My Government Portal in order to participate in this initiative. And how to make an account on this portal, on My Government Portal, a link has been shared, an YouTube link has been shared in the description box of the video. You go to description box and watch how to make an account on My Government Portal. Then you make an account, then you will be able to participate in this initiative. Now we will discuss how to participate and what are the themes. So these are the themes for students. There is a theme, exams are like festivals, celebrate them. Activity, draw a scene depicting a festival around your favorite subject. Upload your painting in JPG or PDF format. Maximum file size allowed is 4 MB. Another theme is there. India is incredible. Travel and explore. Activity, imagine your friends visits your city for 3 days. What memories would you create for him or her in each of the following categories? Places to see in not more than 500 characters, food to release in not more than 500 characters, experiences to remember in not more than 500 characters. Another theme is also there. As one journey ends, another begins. Activity, describe the most memorable experiences of your school life in not more than 1500 characters. Another theme is there also, aspire not to be but to do. Activity, if there was no restriction on resources or opportunities, what would you do for society and why? Submit a write-up in not more than 1500 characters. Another theme is be grateful. Activity, write gratitude cards for those whom you are grateful to in not more than 500 characters. The next question to Prime Minister: submit a question of your choice related to dealing with examination stress that you will like to ask the Prime Minister in not more than 500 characters. So now we will check what are the themes for parents. So for parents, the two themes are here. One is your words make your child's world. Encourage as you have always done. Activity: write a story about the vision you share with your child for his or her future. Let your child write the first sentence, then you write the next, and so on, in not more than 1500 characters. Another theme is also here for the parents. Be your child's friend. Keep depression away. Activity: write a postcard to your child and let him or her know why they are special, in not more than 500 characters. So these are the themes. Two themes are here for the parents. Now we will see what are the themes for teachers. So for teachers, there is only one theme, that is online education system, its benefits and how it can be improved further. Activity: submit a creative write-up on the topic in about 1500 characters. So this is the theme for teachers. Now we will see how to participate in this program. So first of all, you have to make an account. I have already told you. You have to go to the description box. There is a link how to make account on My Government app, My Government portal. You see that video and make an account of your own on the portal. Then you will participate in this program. Now we will see how to participate. So for this, you have to click on participate now. So if you click on participate now, then such an interface will be there. Student self participation for students of classes 9 to 12th. You have to click on participate now of this section if you are a student of classes 9 to 12th. And student participation through teacher login for students of classes 9 to 12th with no access to internet or email ID or mobile number. Those students who have no internet or email ID or mobile number, they can participate through the teacher. Then for teachers, you have to click on participate now. You can participate by clicking on this, and for parent, you also participate by clicking on participate now. So I will show you for a student, you have to click on participate now on the first, that is student self participation. You will click on the box where it is written participate now. If you click the link participate now, you will get an interface. Just wait. So this type of interface will you see. Then here you will enter your name, student name. Here my name is being shown. You will enter your name. Then your email ID you will enter, then your mobile number, then your gender you will enter, male, female, then date of birth, then class where you are in, then parents name, then your school details. You will enter your school name, your board. So बोर्ड CBSE केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का है, CBSE नवोदय विद्यालय समिति का है. So प्राइवेट स्कूल CBSE का भी है, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल भी है. So where you are studying, you will select. Then address, your full address you will enter here. Then country, it is already India. Then you will select your state or union territory, and your district. Then your pin code. Then activity, you have to click on select theme. Then you will for students there are 5 themes. So you will see here are 5 themes. First theme is exams are like festivals, celebrate them. Second theme is India is incredible, travel and explore. Third theme is as one journey ends, another begins. Fourth theme is aspire not to be but to do. Fifth theme is be grateful. So any theme you want to participate, you will select one theme. Then if you select theme 1, then there will be an activity you have to do. Draw a scene depicting a festival around your favorite subject. So already about the themes and activities we have discussed. So you will select any of the theme that you want to participate in, then you will do that appropriate activity along to the theme assigned. Then question to PM, here you have to write a question not more than 500 characters, you have to write within 500 characters, 500 words, a question you want to ask about examination to your Honorable Prime Minister or Honorable Prime Minister. Then after that you will click on submit button. Then your work, your activity, what you have written, your question will be submitted to the portal. So this is how to participate for the students, and so for the teachers and the for parents, they have to also click on participate now. Like the students, they will also click on participate now. Just wait. So if you are a teacher, then you will click on the participate now, which is below the teacher. For teachers likha hai. If you are a parent, then you will click on participate now, which is given below the parent. And there are different themes for parents and teachers. For teachers there is only one theme, and parents there are two themes. You will select any one of them and you will participate accordingly. Okay, thank you all.